Bite-sized German lessons by 11%.
Der Anschluss. Der Anschluss can come quite handy if you're reading some technical instructions. So tune in today's lesson to learn more about it. Der Anschluss. Der Anschluss. Der Anschluss. Der Anschluss. Der Anschluss is a masculine noun, meaning connection or joining. Basically, it refers to the place where something is or can be plugged in. The plural of this noun might seem a little bit tricky as it comes with an umlaut. Die Anschlüsse. Die Anschlüsse. Let's see some examples. Dieses Kabel einzustecken, muss ich den richtigen Anschluss finden. In order to plug in this cable, I need to find the right port. Der Techniker hat einen neuen Anschluss für Kabelfernsehen installiert. The technician installed a new connection for cable television. Warum habe ich keinen Anschluss ans Internet? Why is it that I don't have any internet connection? Leider besteht kein Anschluss unter dieser Nummer. Prüfen Sie, ob Sie alles richtig eingetragen haben. Unfortunately, this number is not in service, or literally, phone line isn't connected. Check if you've entered everything correctly. Im Anschluss an das Meeting findet eine kleine Party statt. Following the meeting, there will be a small party, or literally, there will be a small party which connects to the meeting. Today we learned about the masculine noun der Anschluss, which means connection, joining, or port. It can also be used in a phrase im Anschluss an, where it means following or after. And now a little Übung. Connect the phrases with their translation. Write your answers in the comments below and get the chance to win a free beginner German course. Hungry for more? Subscribe to the channel and set up a micro-learning habit. Or visit the website for more German learning adventures. See you in the next lesson. Tschüss!